If you own cryptocurrencies, but you don't know how to convert it into Ghana cedis, your solution is here. With this easy-to-use platform known as CediConvert.com, you can convert your crypto into Ghana cedis with no hassle. You don't even need to log in. I understand managing your assets online may be difficult or stressful. Hence, no sign-up is required for you to transact on this platform. CediConvert is also known to have the best rates in the country, and they are integrated with all the Ghanaian banks and mobile money platforms. They also have 24/7 customer care, so they are always there to support you in time of need. Let me walk you through it. So you visit CediConvert.com, scroll down to CediConvert Exchange, then you select the coin, the crypto network, and the quantity you want to convert. Step 3 is just to provide your account details. It can either be bank or mobile money, your choice. Make sure you double check the account details in order not to have any problems. Then you provide your wallet address and contact details. Double check the wallet address and contact details as well in order to avoid any errors. Then a wallet address will be provided for you to send your coins to. The next part will depend on your wallet or your trading platform which you are converting your crypto from. Example, Binance. Open your Binance app, go to your portfolio and click on the crypto you are withdrawing. And then you enter the wallet address provided to you. And once you're done, just go ahead and withdraw. Make sure you save this video or send it to somebody you know who will need this. Don't forget to give me a like and follow me for more tips like this. There you go.